In this video, we are going to solve steady state error when the input is unit step. This is previous gate problem given for 2 marks in year 90. So, you can see the problem here, the steady state error of a stable type 0 system, unity feedback system, type 0 unity feedback system for unit step function yes. For a unit step function as input yes. So, this is the problem given, they given the options. We already have some videos, previous videos related to steady state error when the input is unit step. So, steady state error when input is unit ramp, steady state error when the input is unit parabola. So, we are having all those videos, and here when you see that video related to steady state error when the input is unit step, then I use it to calculate for a type 0 system, type 1 system and type 2 system. So, there for type 0 system you are going to get ESS is equivalent to 1 by 1 plus Kp. This is the right option for this problem actually. You can refer that video. So, the video name will be like this, steady state error when the input is unit step function. So, here you are having 3 videos like that. So, each video contains the steady state error calculation for specific input signal for a type 0 system, type 1 system, type 2 system like that. When you are writing any exam like GATE, so that is somewhat typical to get all those in your mind and to calculate and to get some equations like that. So, that is why I am going to give a shortcut table, very important, very easy table to solve any type of problem like this. If they given unit ramp combination, if they given type 1 combination, if they given type 2 combination, you can solve anything. So, now you can see I am going to take type number here, type number of the system, and here ES is when the input is. So, this is unit step, unit ramp, so parabola. So, this is the table I am going to consider. So, for type number, for specific input, what will be the ESS I am going to determine by using this table. Type number 0, 1, 2, 3, maximum type 3 will take, and here take the diagonal structure, that means, so the ESS at a type 0 for step input will be 1 by 1 plus Kp. For ramp this will be 1 by Kv, 1 by Ka. For type 2 it will be 1 by Ka, or you just consider like this, you just consider table like this, then you will get some easy. You can see, you just write diagonally like this, 1 by 1 plus Kp, 1 by Kv, 1 by Ka. We are having 3 constraints, position, velocity and acceleration error constraints. You just write diagonally like this, and whatever the upper parts are there, you just put infinity in the upper boxes. In the lower boxes, you just keep 0. So, whatever the lower boxes are there, you just keep 0. This is the table which show you the steady state error for a type 0, for a type of the system, for specific input of the system. For example, what they are asking in our problem, the steady state error of stable type 0 system for type 0 unit feedback system for unit step function. Unit step function is 1 by 1 plus Kp. For example, if they are asking the steady state error of a stable type 0 unity feedback system for unit ramp is equivalent to infinity. Steady state error for unit parabola for a type 0 system, that is equivalent to infinity. So, the combination of type number and input signal is here. So, according to the problem given, you need to choose your answer. The only step is you need to take diagonal like this. After taking like this, you need to take diagonal of this error constants, and after that above table you just make infinity, below whatever below positions are there, you just make 0. This is a shortcut to calculate steady state error with the combination of type number and input signal. For example, for a type 2 system, for a type 2 unit feedback system, what will be the steady state error when the input is ramp? So, that is equivalent to 0. For a type 2 unit feedback system, what will be the steady state error when the input is parabola? Type 2 system, input parabola, 1 by Ka will be steady state error. Like this way, we can trace steady state error very easily by just keeping this table in your mind.